That's it, guys. That's it. The time has come. The time has come, and it will be a time that will be remembered because it's time for the great massacre of 2021. But of course, I'm talking about the great Backlog Massacre of 2021, and I invite all you guys to join me if you want to. But what I'm going to be doing is trying to make my way through as much of my backlog as possible, building and reviewing these kits for you guys. So I've got a lot of older kits coming, reviews for you guys, and I know you all like that, so I know you'd be happy to hear that. But in case you guys didn't know, I currently live here in Korea, but me and my family are all moving to America later this year. So in our move, I have a lot of stuff here, a lot of Gunpla and model kits and all that stuff, and I would like to take most of that with me. I'll have to get rid of some stuff, I'm sure, but I would like to take as much as I can with me. And for taking kits and things like taking my backlog, it's a lot easier to take stuff that's already built. It certainly you can pack more into one box, it weighs less and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to get through as much of my backlog as I can over the next couple months during the great Backlog Massacre of 2021. And so I hope you guys are down for that. I'm going to be pumping out a lot of reviews for you guys. And of course, I don't plan on cutting the quality of them. I plan on keeping them, normal quality, trying to improve the quality, as always, if I can. But first victims are going to be in the first strike of the Gunpla Massacre, are going to be the first victims always in any war is the grunts. So we're starting off with the EFSF grunts. So next week, plan on reviewing all 4 of these kits and live building 2 of them. And I'm going to let you guys choose which 2 that I live build. So if you check out my YouTube community tab, I'm going to post a link there to a straw poll. You guys can go there and vote on which 2 kits you guys would like to see me live build next week among these 2. So next week it's going to be EFSF grunt suits. I know the Easy 8 may be debatable whether it's a grunt suit or not, but you guys get the idea. Anyway, and then the next week is going to be Xeon mobile suits, the Xeon grunt type mobile suits. Again, some of them not necessarily exactly grunts, but anyway. So HGUC EFSF suits next week, and then the next week after that, HGUC Xeon mobile suits. So that's my plan for the first couple weeks of the massacre, but then we're going to be moving on probably to some Masquerade stuff and all that after that. So anyway, guys, just wanted to let you guys know about my plan for that and kind of what's going on with that. So check out the poll, vote for which kits you'd like to see live built next week. And as always, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you to USA Gundam Store, of course, as always, as well, for their never-ending support for me and my channel here as well, too. Can't wait to arrive there in the US and actually work at USA Gundam Store. It's going to be awesome, so I really can't wait to be there and then hopefully meet a lot more of you guys. Those of you who are living in the US, hopefully I'll be able to actually meet up with you, a lot more of you, again once the COVID's all gone, all that as well too. But anyway, that's the plan, guys, and I hope you're excited. I am too. So I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.